This is my Impressionist Painter app. This is where the photo will be uploaded. This is where the user can draw. You can download images, but since we already did that, we are going to go to load images. And we can click a picture. It takes a little while for them to load, but once they do, we will select a photo. And I'm going to select this one. Now that it's loaded, I can immediately start drawing. Initially it's set to a circle brush, and I can draw, and it will translate over an Impressionist drawing. Can go over it to add more detail, draw in any way to make it more look like a flower, however the user wants. And this creates an Impressionist drawing. We can choose all sorts of brushes. There's circle, square, square speed, circle speed, and dot splatter. So click circle speed, and now when I'm drawing, how fast I move the mouse depends on how big the brush size would be. So in the center, I'm going relatively slow, so I have small dots. This helps add more detail. I can also clear my drawing if I want to start over, but the picture will still remain. I can continue drawing however I like, and I'll start with the brush that I had before I cleared. I can load another image. These are all the saved images I have before. There's a save button below that implements that, and I've saved a bunch of photos. These are the pictures we're going to draw with. So again, I'm going to wait for the pictures to load, and I'm going to select a different photo. I'll select this one. And for my brush size, I am going to do dot splatter. This is a fun brush I just wanted to implement. It just puts random splatters of dots everywhere. And you can create sort of a very vague Impressionist photo. And this simulates kind of the butterfly on the flower. I can save the photo, and it shows me where it's saved. As I showed you earlier, it saves to that photo in my gallery. I can also share the photo of the drawing I just made. And when I share it, it also saves and shows you where it is saved. And I can share it through a text message with someone else. Now, you can type a message and send it off, but because the emulator I was using, which is called Genymotion, does not allow emulators to communicate with each other unless you pay for it, I am not able to actually send it to another emulator, but this function is implemented.